Welcome to this guided meditation designed to support your emotional health. This meditation will help you acknowledge, understand, and process your emotions, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, holding it for a moment before gently exhaling. Allow yourself to be present in this moment, free from distractions. Begin by noticing your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs fully expand. Hold it for a few seconds, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. With each breath, imagine tension leaving your body. Feel your shoulders relax, your jaw unclench, and your muscles loosen. Continue breathing deeply and evenly, allowing your breath to anchor you in the present moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas where you might be holding tension. Perhaps your shoulders are hunched, or your stomach is tight. With each exhale, let go of this tension. Imagine it melting away, leaving your body feeling more relaxed and at ease. Now, we will do a gentle body scan to help you relax even further. Start by bringing your attention to your feet. Notice any sensations there. Are your feet warm or cool? Are they feeling heavy or light? Simply observe without judgment. As you exhale, imagine any tension in your feet flowing out and away. Move your attention up to your legs. Notice how they feel against the surface you are resting on. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your legs to become heavy and relaxed. Let go of any tension in your calves, knees, and thighs. Next, bring your focus to your hips and lower back. This area often holds a lot of tension, especially if we are anxious. Breathe deeply into your lower back, and as you exhale, imagine any tightness dissolving away. Shift your attention to your abdomen and chest. Notice the rise and fall of your breath. With each inhale, feel your abdomen expand. With each exhale, feel it contract. Allow any tension in this area to melt away with your breath. Now, focus on your hands and arms. Notice any sensations in your fingers, palms, and arms. Allow them to feel heavy and relaxed. As you exhale, release any tension you may be holding in your arms. Bring your attention now to your shoulders and neck. These areas are prone to carrying a lot of stress. Breathe deeply into your shoulders, and as you exhale, let them drop and relax. Feel any tightness in your neck dissolve away. Finally, bring your focus to your face and neck. Notice if you are holding any tension in your jaw, around your eyes, or in your forehead. With each exhale, let your face soften and relax. Allow your entire body to feel heavy and completely relaxed. Now that your body is relaxed, let's move into a guided visualization to help you enhance your emotional health. Visualize yourself in a safe and peaceful place. This could be a beach, a forest, a meadow, or any place that brings you a sense of calm and safety. Imagine the details of this place, the sounds, the smells, the temperature. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this serene environment. In this safe place, visualize yourself feeling emotionally balanced and at peace. See yourself experiencing various emotions, both positive and negative, and handling them with ease. Notice how you allow yourself to feel each emotion fully without judgment or resistance. If any negative thoughts arise, notice them and let them pass like clouds in the sky. Now, bring to mind a recent situation that caused you emotional discomfort. It doesn't have to be the most difficult, but something moderately challenging. Recognize your natural desire to push away the discomfort or distract yourself from it. Instead, turn towards it with compassion. Imagine a warm, comforting presence enveloping you, providing a serene sense of security and acceptance. This presence could be a large cloud of compassion, a grandmotherly figure, or anything that feels loving and kind to you. Allow this presence to hold you and offer comforting words such as, "It will be okay," "You are safe," "You are enough," and "We will get through this together." As you face your discomfort, breathe deeply and remind yourself that it is okay to feel this way. Name the emotion you are experiencing. For example, say to yourself, "This is anger," or "This is sadness." Naming the emotion helps create space around it and reduces its intensity. Repeat the name of the emotion 3 times in a gentle and compassionate voice. Let's now move on to affirmations to help with emotional health. Silently repeat the following affirmations to yourself. I acknowledge and accept my emotions. I am capable of handling discomfort with grace. I am deserving of love and compassion. I find peace within myself. I trust in my ability to navigate my emotions. Feel these affirmations resonating within you, reinforcing your sense of self-acceptance and peace. Allow each affirmation to sink deeply into your subconscious, planting seeds of positivity and self-assurance. As we come to the end of this meditation, prepare to return to your day with a sense of calm and emotional balance. Take a final, deep breath in, holding onto the calmness and peace you've cultivated. Exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice how your body feels compared now to when you started. Notice any changes in your mental state. Remember, you can return to this calm state at any time by simply focusing on your breath and allowing yourself to let go. Embrace your emotions with a newfound sense of understanding and acceptance. Carry this feeling of calm and self-assurance with you throughout the day. Trust in your ability to handle any emotional situation with grace and poise. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. You deserve to feel calm and emotionally balanced. Remember, you have the power to manage and understand your emotions. Take this sense of peace with you and enjoy the rest of your day.